it's finally happened. We sold our first piece. This white limba bowl we put up on Etsy earlier this year in about January. And of course, while I was on vacation this past week, it would sell. Luckily, the buyer was understanding. I'm gonna get it shipped out today for them. A little bit faster shipping than normal. These talking head videos don't usually do well for me, so I'm gonna try to keep this short. So let's just get this thing packed up. All right, so we got the bowl. I'm gonna throw in a sticker. Actually, we'll put that on the outside of this, just in case. Wrap it up in some nice paper. Put our sticker in. There we go. Let's add some more paper. All right, just got to get this thing taped up. I don't think I have any tape out here. Of course. And since this is my first actual sale ever of anything I've made, I'm going to include a little note. So let me write that out now. With that, all we got to do, take it down to the post office. Time to go mail our first package.
A few moments later.
It's all mailed. Just like that, our first sale's done. Now that's motivated me to turn some more bowls because we're out of bowls on the store. Got a little tiny 4-inch bowl up there, but it's not gonna cut it. Luckily, I got about 6 more bowl blanks that we can get turning. So I'm gonna probably spend the rest of this weekend trying to batch all those out and get them up on the store hopefully this week. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm glad we actually hit one of our 2024 goals, which means we now have a little bit of money to start playing around with for some new stuff in the shop. So keep an eye out for that. But let's see if we can sell some more stuff too, so we can buy some fun toys to play with. Talk to you guys next time. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, please do. It really helps the channel out. And I will see you guys next time.